Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution.
Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the left door gasket in this LG refrigerator, you will need a flathead screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver or drill driver with a number 2 Phillips bit. Be sure to unplug the appliance before working with any electrical components. Open the flipper and remove the 2 Phillips head screws on the center door hinge. Pull the center hinge loose and push up on the flipper assembly to remove it from the track. Then unplug the wire harness. Use the screwdriver to free the gasket from the groove and pull the gasket from the door. Remove the new gasket from the package. Press the new gasket into the door groove. You can apply petroleum jelly to the inner edge of the gasket to minimize the wear and tear from the door opening and closing over time. Plug the flipper assembly in the door and slide it into the tracks. Push the center hinge into place. Screw in the 2 Phillips head screws. Plug in the appliance. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.